Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Short story number 13, The Tiger and the Traveler. One day, a hunter had laid out a massive trap for a tiger in the forest. Soon the tiger, who was passing by, fell into the net, and the hunter quickly locked him up into a cage. The hunter put the cage on a roadside for people to witness the tiger. The tiger had previously killed many village people and innocent animals and children. Now people were being made to enjoy his misery as they saw him locked up. The hunter did not feed the tiger for days. Day by day, the tiger grew desperate for food. He began to beg the hunter to give him something to eat. He promised the hunter that if he would let him go, he would not harm anyone ever again. One day, a traveler was crossing the road when he saw the tiger. He felt bad seeing him in such a state, and when the tiger promised he would not harm anyone, he let him out. But once the tiger was out, he did not care about his promise. He wanted to kill every human in his way. A sly little fox was passing by, and when he saw that the tiger was about to kill everyone, he made a strategy. He said, "I do not believe such a big tiger could fit in such a tiny cage." The tiger said he would show the fox he was locked up there and went back inside the cage. As soon as he went in, the fox locked the cage and left with the tiger. Thank you friends for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.